Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have this lavalier microphone, and so you see I've been wearing this thing here, and it's kind of just heavy on me, so I'm going to give this thing a try and see if I can use a lavalier microphone instead of having this whole thing hanging on me. I mean, it'll still be hanging, it'll just be hanging on my pants, I guess. So let's see what we got here. Here's the instructions for it, and I have the DJI mic 2. I also have a DJI mic 1, but this is all the things it'll work with. So it says it works with this. So let's see if it does. It looks like it is a set of 2. We're just going to try one because 1 is all we have. Okay, so I'll open this up. Comes with a little clippy thing here. And I see where my port is up top to plug it in. So I'm going to take this off here. And now we should be cooking with gas. I don't know. Let's see. Okay, let me clip this now onto my pants. I'll just stick it in my pocket. Doesn't matter because it doesn't have to be on the outside. And now I'll just have this. So how does this sound compared to just the regular mic itself? You tell me. So it's clipped on there now, and it looks good. Thumbs up.